In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default zoom level in Google Docs. Before we jump in, there's one important thing to understand. Google Docs doesn't actually have a built-in default zoom setting. Instead, your web browser controls zoom, and it typically remembers the last level you used. So when people talk about a default zoom in Docs, what they really mean is setting the browser's zoom and letting it stick for next time. Here's the simplest way to do it. Open your Google Docs file in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the browser window and open the main menu, the one with the three dots in Chrome, for example. In that menu, find the zoom section. You'll see a plus button to zoom in and a minus button to zoom out, along with a percentage like 90%, 100%, or 110%. Click plus to make text and the page larger, or minus to make it smaller, until it feels comfortable for your eyes. Once you've set it, your browser will remember that level the next time you open Google Docs in the same browser on the same device. If you want something faster while you're working, there's a handy shortcut on Windows. Hold the Control key and scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in, or scroll down to zoom out. You'll see the percentage update in the browser's interface as you adjust. This is great for quick tweaks on the fly without digging into menus. Now, let's clarify how this default behavior works behind the scenes. When you close and reopen Google Docs, it will usually use whatever zoom level you last set in that browser. However, this is both browser specific and device specific. If you switch from one browser to another, like from Chrome to Edge, or move from your laptop to a different computer, you'll need to set the zoom again there. Also, if you use a guest window or reset browsing settings, your saved zoom might not carry over. Here's a pro tip if you want consistency across all websites, not just Google Docs. In Chrome, open settings, go to appearance, then page zoom, and choose your preferred level, such as 90%, 100%, or 110%. This applies the same base zoom to every site you visit, and you can still make temporary per-page adjustments using the methods we just covered. That's all you need. Open your document, adjust the zoom via the browser menu or the Control plus scroll shortcut, and your browser will remember it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Docs tips and tutorials.